Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and this video is a second version of a previous video I've done on this channel where I thought about how to resolve issues relating to not being able to create a page on Facebook. So in that video I explained some ways which you can use to create a Facebook page, and most people complained that it was not working for them. So I had to research and I have gotten a much more simpler way of creating Facebook page without encountering any error. So ensure you watch this video to the end to get the value contained in this video. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, now is the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So let's go and get this working. Okay, so in order to fix this page creation issue, go over to your App Store or your Play Store and search for this app, which is called the Thunder VPN. Look at it, Thunder VPN. So ensure you install it. It is a virtual protected network that changes your location. The reason why you cannot create pages is because probably Facebook has disabled the feature for your country. So just download this, open it up like this. Then click on this connect to turn on this VPN. Then go over to your Facebook. Now, talking about the Facebook, ensure you are using Facebook Lite. Do not use the normal big Facebook that you know. Use the Facebook Lite because a lot of people have complained that this big Facebook do not work, and I've also tested it. So open this Facebook Lite. Then go over to creating of your page. So right here, just click on pages as you can see right here. Then you can create your page. Just click on create new page here. Then just give your page any name that you want to give it. Let me just name this Yes, I should add a category. Just add it a personal blog. Enter a website URL that is optional. You can skip. You can skip it from this point. You can skip this too. And as you can see, your page has been created. So if you're having issues about creating pages, this will resolve that issue for you. Okay guys, so that was it for the video, and I believe you got value. So if you want me to help you fix your Facebook ads, if you're encountering any issues with your Facebook ads, you can always reach out to me directly on WhatsApp. And if you check the description, you will see a link where you can just tap and chat with me directly on WhatsApp, and we'll get to fix your ads issue. But one thing you should know is that I have given out everything for free on this channel, and if you want me to help you fix it for you, then it comes with a charge. It comes with a consultation fee. So bear that in mind whenever you try to connect with me. So aside that, if you would like to learn directly from me everything Facebook ads, you can also get my Facebook ads course. It works for people that uses smartphone and also for people who uses laptop. So if you want to get the course, you can also check on the description of the video and you will get the course from there as well. So that being said, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now is the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. And also don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video so that people like you who need it will get to see it and also consume it. So that being said, I will see you on the next video. Take care and have